Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session, we are going to cover the three basic commands of MSW Logo Turtle. The first command is setH, second one is pen up, and the third one is pen down. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. I will open the notes first and I'll tell you what is actually setH command. So, let's see this. Set H stands for set head. It is used to rotate the turtle in clockwise direction. Now, dear students, clockwise direction means in this direction. Okay? In this direction. Right? So, let us see this practically. First of all, you have to open Chrome, Google Chrome, that you know already how to open, and type here online MSW logo editor. Yes, the first link. So I will tap on it and choose the first link, online logo transom. Now let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, dear students, the setH command is not available in level 1. So what we have to do is we have to tap on level 2. Okay, level 2 is here. So tap on the level 2 button and now you will be able to type the setH command. What is the use of setH command? The turtle will be rotated in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means in this direction. Okay, so let us see. setH 90, setH space 90. Okay, and we will observe the result. Just click on the run button. You can see here is the run button. Tap on it, on the run button, and observe the result. Okay, tap on it. Yes, the turtle has been now rotated from the position was like this. Okay, the position was like this and now the position is changed to 90 degree. Okay, now again let us see one more example. Set H and 180. 180 means complete 180 degree angle is set. Okay, earlier the face was, the head was at this side, but now the face is turned downside. Okay, downwards. So this is the use of setH command. Now let us see what is PU and PD. So PU stands for pen up. PU stands for pen up and it is used to draw invisible lines. So line will be drawn but we can't see it. That is why it is called as invisible lines, which is not visible, right? Means turtle will move but will not draw a line behind it. Okay, so let us check that also. Now PU and PD commands are available in level 1. So I will tap on level 1. Fine. So right now the level 1 is activated. You can see here level 1 is selected. Now type PU command. So I will type PU. Okay, I will type PU and then simply I will press go. Okay, so now whatever I will type, the line will not be drawn but turtle will move. FD 5. Okay, now observe. Yes, turtle is moved but line is not drawn. Again FD 5. Observe the result. Turtle is moved but line is not drawn. So I will type BK 20. It will come back but it will not draw a line. Okay. Now again, in order to make it make the turtle in drawing mode, what we have to type? PD. Okay, P stands for pen and D stands for down. So PD, pen down, space. Okay, no space, only enter. PD, enter. Now type any command, FD5. Now see, turtle starts drawing. Again FD10. Just check the result, FD10. Yes, turtle started drawing now. Again, if you type PU, pen will be up and it will not draw anything. Again, you type FD5. Turtle will only move now, but it will not draw. Why? Because I have just before I typed the PU command. PU means pen up. So when you take your pen up, it will not draw anything. When you take your pen down, that is PD, then it will start drawing. So I have typed PD and I have typed go button. Now it will draw. FD3. Yes. So that's it for today's session. Practice this and send me the screenshot. Along with that, you have to write this entirely, okay, in your notebook. Yes. So thank you very much. Bye. See you. Take care.